Visual Studio Code, VSCode, is a popular code editor for front-end development, and it supports a wide range of extensions that enhance productivity and streamline the development process. Here are some useful and popular VSCode extensions for front-end development. 1. Live Server. Automatically refreshes the browser when you save a file, making it easy to see real-time updates. 2. ESLint. Integrates ESLint for identifying and fixing problems in JavaScript code, ensuring consistent coding styles. 3. Prettier. Automatically formats your code to maintain a consistent coding style across your project. 4. Auto Rename Tag. Automatically renames paired HTML, XML tags, saving time during development. 5. Auto Close Tag. Automatically closes HTML, XML tags after you type the opening tag, enhancing productivity. 6. Path IntelliSense. Provides intelligent autocompletion for file paths, making it easy to navigate and include files in your project. 7. CSS Peek. Allows you to jump from HTML to CSS and vice versa for quick navigation and editing of styles. 8. Debugger for Chrome. Enables debugging JavaScript code running in Google Chrome directly from VSCode. 9. HTML Boilerplate. Generates a basic HTML template structure to start a new HTML file quickly. 10. Prettier. Enhances vue.js development with features like syntax highlighting, IntelliSense, and debugging support. 11. Git Lens. Provides valuable Git information and insights directly in the editor, helping you navigate and understand your Git repositories. 12. Material Icon Theme. Adds colorful icons for files and folders based on the file type, making it easy to identify file types at a glance. These extensions can significantly enhance your front-end development workflow in Visual Studio Code by providing code formatting, linting, debugging, and other useful features. Feel free to explore and install the ones that best suit your development needs and preferences.